Hi everyone, Teacher Enes here. Let's take a look back at our week. This week we enjoyed discovering new vocabulary. Chicken. It's a chicken. Cow. It's a cow. As well as action verbs, strut, to strut, and walk, to walk. We also practiced counting from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In our daily conversations, we worked on what's your name? My name is. How old are you? I am 2. How are you? I am happy. How's the weather? It is sunny. What's your school? My school is RBIS. Some of the fun activities we did included jump on it, animal walks, matching the word with the picture flashcards, cowcraft, and coloring the chicken and cow. Our story for the month is The Forest. Please make sure to review these at home. Thanks for your support. Goodbye and see you next week.